Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. My dear students, as you all know that we have completed the text of Sir Alexander Fleming written by Patrick Pringle. Today we are going to discuss important synonyms of this chapter. Let's start. Number 1, revolutionize, make complete change in something, alter or restyle. Next one, theory, recent view of what may be the cause of relation between facts or events. Number 3, peer, in British society a man of high inherited rank, fellow, equal, match, like. Next one, infection, giving of disease through atmosphere of water, contagion. Next, sterilize, make free from living bacteria, disinfect, purify. Next one, abandon, give up, stop, cease, discontinue. Next, reveal, give knowledge, disclose, tell, make known. Next, armor, metal, cover up for body, shield, defense or protection. Next one, host, great number of, ton, mod, mass, multitude. Invade, go into a country or body to make, attack, infect and penetrate. Okay, next page. Polytechnic, school teaching a number of different trades. Oculist, eye expert and optician. Next, optician, maker or trader in optical instruments. Next, profession, way of making living, especially in law, army, medicine and teaching, occupations and business. Next one, legacy, money, extra given by honor at his death, inheritance. Prospects, expectations, hopes, likelihood and chances. Next one, research, work done with a view to discovering of new facts. Next, vaccine, poison produced in body by the disease of cows like smallpox. Next, therapy, medical treatment, cure, medication and remedy. Next one, tremendous, very great, huge, enormous, immense. Next one, explosives, substances with tendency to go off with great noise. Next one, exception, thing that does not follow the rule, anomaly and deviation. Next one, Middle Ages, about the years 1000 to 1400. Next one, tackle, grapple with, answer, work out and figure out. Next one, multiply, increase rapidly. Next one, modesty, not overvaluing oneself, not putting oneself forward. Okay, next page. Catarrh, diseased condition of throat or back of noise as in curl. Next, foreigners, one coming before another in history, making the way ready for. Next one, colonies, groups of animals living together. Mold, wool-like growth of fungi formed on wet things, fungus. Next one, spore, living unit by which plant without flowers is produced, and seed. Next one, larden, storehouse, cupboard for food and store. Next one, preserves, substances kept from going bad, especially food. Next one, broth, thin meat soup, a liquid used as a culture. Next one, crude, substances in natural condition, unworked raw and unrefined. Next one, concentrate, increase strength of liquids by reducing volume. Lack, not having enough of, be without and deficiency. Hail, salute or greet, welcome, loud, praise and cheer. Protest, make statement pointing out what is wrong. Object to. Next one, limelight, most important word, very bright light, in the limelight, getting public attention and fame. Last word, the latest or best example, the best view about, advanced. Next one, air conditioned, room or the building having the air in brought to a standard temperature. Next page, sanctum, holy place, a person's private room or study. Next one, contaminate, make unclean or diseased, pollute, infect and soil. Next one, provoke, incite, rouse, stir, stimulate, motivate and excite. Stimulate, rouse to activity or excite to action, egg on, spur and prompt. Okay, thank you very much.